So if moisture is kind of an innate part of your process and you're stuck dealing with it, then you want to certainly make sure that your filter is the right filter for that application. There are some filter medias and treatments that will help mitigate the effects of that moisture, like PTFE or Teflon coatings, which are basically like your non-stick pan. They're really hard to stick to. So they'll keep even moist dust from coating up your filters, and they're a little easier to clean and stuff. So that's certainly important. If it's a risk, if you want clean, dry air in there, and if you have high temp dust, you want to make sure that you keep it high temp through the entire system, and including through the baghouse. If you have cold spots in your ductwork or in your hopper or your baghouse, you run the risk of that hot dust, dipping below the temperature, where the dew point temperature, where it basically turns into, condensation and moisture. So if you have to deal with hot dust, you need to use insulation and, if necessary, supplemental heating around your baghouse and your ductwork to make sure you avoid those cold spots. And so that once the dust is out of the baghouse, you can let it cool. But while it's in there and while it's in the ductwork, keep it hot.
Yeah, and that a lot of that comes into with startup and shutdown procedures, right? When we have temperature changes and moisture, the startup and shutdown are just so crucial to make sure, like you said, we keep it hot
Yeah.
so that there's no condensation in the system.